Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to see all your tasks in Clickup, both assigned and unassigned. This is super useful when you want a complete overview of everything happening in your workspace, not just the tasks assigned to you. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and tools are available. Now, the easiest way to see all tasks is by using the Everything view. In the left sidebar, click on Everything. This view shows tasks from across all spaces, folders, and lists that you have access to. By default, it includes tasks assigned to you, unassigned tasks, and tasks assigned to other people. If you only want to focus on certain tasks, use filters. Click on the filter option and adjust the assignee filter. You can choose anyone to see all tasks, including unassigned ones, or select specific team members. You can also filter by status, due date, priority, or space to narrow things down. Another powerful option is creating a custom view. Go to any space or folder, click Add View, and choose List or Table View. Then apply filters to show assigned, unassigned, or all tasks. Save this view so you can access it anytime without setting filters again. You can also sort tasks to make them easier to review. Sort by due date to see what's coming up, by priority to focus on urgent work, or by assignee to understand workload distribution across the team. If you're a manager, dashboards are another great option. You can add task widgets that display all tasks, overdue items, or unassigned work. This gives you a visual snapshot without clicking through multiple views. Finally, remember that permissions matter. You'll only see tasks from spaces or lists you have access to. So if something seems missing, check your permissions, and that's it. Seeing all your tasks in ClickUp, assigned or not, helps you stay organized and in control of your work. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.